This fall, Apple will reveal their new iPhone 16 and 16 Pro models. So here are all the new features we're expecting to see, starting with the 16 and 16 Plus, which will come in a new purple color that join the existing pink, yellow, green, and blue options. Next is a vertical camera layout, which will allow the device to capture spatial video that can be viewed in full 3D on Apple Vision Pro. The action button that was added to the 15 Pro models last year will come to the standard 16 models this fall, letting you access something like the camera or flashlight with just a press. A new capacitive capture button will be added to the side of iPhone 16, detecting multiple levels of pressure for focusing and capturing photos and video. A new A18 chip will bring a more powerful neural engine to support generative AI features that Apple wants to process completely on-device to optimize for speed and privacy. Charging will become significantly faster, with 20-watt MagSafe increasing charging speeds by 33% and 40-watt wired charging speeding up by 48%. That means going from 0 to 100% charge could take just 39 minutes instead of an hour and 15 minutes. A more efficient OLED panel with improved micro-lens technology could result in a brighter display without consuming more battery. Prices are expected to be the same, with iPhone 16 starting at $799 and the 16 Plus starting at $899. Now onto the 16 Pro and Pro Max. These models will get a new rose gold color, while the standard titanium option will look more silvery than before, and the tanner titanium shade receiving a new name, Desert Titanium. Instead of a brushed frame, the 16 Pro will feature a glossy titanium frame, hopefully not reintroducing the issue of fingerprints like we saw on the 14 Pro. These models will be slightly taller and wider to accommodate larger displays at 6.3 and 6.9 inches with even thinner borders. Their A18 Pro chip will be built on TSMC's enhanced 3nm process and contain significantly more neural cores to support advanced generative AI features. A new Snapdragon X75 5G modem and Wi-Fi 7 chip should deliver faster cellular and Wi-Fi speeds. While the camera system receives quite a few improvements, the 16 Pro will get the 5x optical zoom telephoto lens previously exclusive to the 15 Pro Max, plus a new 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens that should dramatically improve photo resolution and clarity of low-light ultra-wide photos. The 16 Pro Max will receive exclusive camera improvements like a 12% larger main lens sensor with better dynamic range and noise control, plus a new super telephoto lens with a focal length above 300mm. These Pro models will have a maximum storage capacity of 2 TB, twice as much as the 15 Pros, and are expected to have the same starting prices of $999 for the 16 Pro and $1199 for the 16 Pro Max. This is Greg with Apple Explained.